prepared. I'm gonna paint over that. I'm not changing that out because I did not buy any more sheetrock. Valentine's is 2 days from now, and I hope this damn paint doesn't stink. All right. Yesterday I did inside here, sand it down proper, and here I need to put some thingy in there. So I sand down this area proper. Now I got to do over here. I wrapped it around this because I once had, that flat thing with the handle, and you will snap this in here. Yes, of course. My ex took it. Yeah. I'm gonna start over here. And y'all, I do need more sheetrock. So I didn't need my neighbor. Good ladder, because I'm not putting up sheetrock where it can tip over. So I gone back to my wobbly ladder. I am gray. Oh shit! I got this too.
Now me and my ADHD self, I cannot focus on one thing, right? So now I stop painting and start washing the wall. I had the pipe running, I had the clean cloth, I washed down the wall about 3-4 times, I don't know how many times, but I washed down the whole entire of that cascade wall, the blue wall, and then I wiped down this other one, and I went over on the other side, you soon see it in a bit, and yeah, I take the throw cloth off the bed, dust off the bed, and wipe down the whole entire
I took it to wrap it
wall
yesterday
before
evening,
I resume
and I
my
got back.
painting.
And you always get the default. That one has a little default in that hole. And I need to buy the little fancy bulb for it. It's not long. I think after I get the pliers and screw those in tight, it will level.
I cut everything with that scissor. You can't even cut that damn curtain. Yeah, I need a new scissor.
I need a little screw to screw that in, and my boy finds me. You find your mommy? Yeah? You find your mommy? He always come and visit me at the window because he's afraid of this step. He will not come up on this step, but he will come up on that one, but not that one. Mommy soon come feed you, Papa. All right, so it's not finished, y'all, but this is where I'm at. This is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna feed that boy because he's not miserable complaining for his breakfast. Time is it now? 12:12. It's 12:12, and this is where I'm at. I'm gonna strip it. Yes, I gotta get more all-purpose compound to do that bit, to do here, 2 more sheetrocks to do there. But in 2 days is Valentine's, and it's for people who already know me and know I'm doing my fuckery, not for people who don't know shit. Like on Airbnb app, I block the dates off, so only call reservation. I'm taking somebody who've been here before, as well, not stranger danger. Yeah, from horrible Airbnb site now, because they complain and bitch that, oh, place is dirty, place is unfinished, this, that. I gotta get a clean towel. So this is the bathroom. Downstairs is another disaster. I gotta go clean up.